Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get USDT in Phantom Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Now, once you are on this page, you simply need to tap on the Receive button on the home page. Then you just have to select that particular network which you want to use in order to receive USDT in your Phantom Wallet account. Let's say I want to use Solana, so I'll simply tap on this copy button right next to Solana. After that, you just have to launch that particular exchange or that particular wallet from which you are going to send USDT in your Phantom Wallet account. So let's say you want to do it via the Binance Exchange. So you just have to launch Binance Exchange, and then you just have to log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right-hand corner, and then tap on the Spot tab in the top. Then you just have to click on Withdraw button and select USDT. After selecting, you just have to select the first option that says Send via Crypto Network. Then you just have to paste the address that we have just copied from our Phantom Wallet. After that, it will show you the network, or basically it will automatically take the network. But if it doesn't, or for any reason, if it chooses the wrong network, then you need to make sure that the same network is selected over here that we have chosen in Phantom Wallet. So as I have chosen the Solana network, so you need to make sure that the network is selected as Solana over here. Then you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer from your Binance exchange. Then you need to tap on the Withdraw button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. After that, you just have to confirm your transaction, and this way you will be able to get USDT in your Phantom Wallet account. So that's basically how you can get USDT in Phantom Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.